Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my legacy review. As you can see here, I am on the JV page. And before we get started with this, if you want to make 10K per month, please check out the webinar that I have for you ready on the first link on the description. Now, if you want to continue with this legacy review, please check out the second link in the description. And now let's check out the bonuses that I want to have for you here. As you can see here, I'm gonna have here AI Prodigy is a revealed, stupidly simple weird system that banks 136 per day on YouTube using only AI. Okay, another bonus that I'm gonna have for you is how to build a buyer's list that generates thousands of dollars per day in your sleep. List Prodigy. Also, I'm gonna have another training here in my page www.albertosantos.pro, and please subscribe to my channel again. And I'm gonna have 400 discount if you want to launch a product with one of my other mentors, Dawood Islam. He has a Elite Academy beta tester, and here you will learn how to launch a product, getting 25% of the commissions and rotator sales. Check him out. Also, I have another discount for the past, past Halloween, but it's kind of seasonal still. You can get it for $3. Just learn the method and you will have 35 products ready from the Elite Academy. Check them out. You will enjoy this product a lot. It's zero cost at you. So no problem. And here you will find more information if you like to learn more about how to make affiliate sales with Warrior Plus. Now let's jump into where I was. Let me check this video and click it for you.
What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here. I'm super excited to announce on Monday we are going live with Legacy on the Warrior Plus network, and it would be fantastic to have all of you guys who are watching this video to promote this epic new launch. Now, this is a cloud-based app and system which taps into a brand new, never ever before seen loophole on Amazon Prime to get you traffic, leads, sales, and commissions on demand. And I think you're going to love it. Your customers, your tribe are going to love it as well. So you should definitely promote this awesome offer. So Legacy, Monday. If you need any help to promote this one, please do reach out to me at any given time. If you're on the document you want access, I've got it for you. You need email swipes. You want to look at the funnel, details about the products, that's going to be on the JV page. There should be a button around this video, or you may already be on the JV page already. Scroll down to get the information. There's going to be other stuff on this page which will help you have an awesome promotion of this launch. And as always, reciprocation. If you can support me, I will 100% have your back in the near future. If you followed me anytime over the past 7 or 8 years, you'll know that that's all I do. Email, email, email. And now people that email me. And I'm going to continue to do that. So if you can support me, I'll 100% have your back in the near future. So Legacy, Monday. Jump on this one, get paid some very, very easy money, whilst providing your tribe, your customers with an awesome, awesome brand new software and system to make money with Amazon. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on our leaderboard on Monday.
Okay, let me see what else I can find over here. So it's a free traffic, leads, and sales roll into one platform, 100% done for you. Okay, let me check here something. So the front end price will be $70. Then you will have access to get OTO one for 47 on a down sale, 100% done for you for 67. OTO number 2 unlimited traffic for 67. OTO 4 47. 18 edition 37 license rights 97. From here, if you ask me to choose something, I would choose done for you, and I would choose license rights, because if you promote this and you make sales, you will get more commissions in the funnel, which is pretty good. Let me see if I can find something else here. Okay, the creators. Okay, I don't have nothing else. Thank you so much for watching this review, and see you later. Bye bye.